In order to be a real YouTuber, you have to be able to vlog, right? I mean, if you don't vlog, do you even YouTube? Ever since I got the Sigma FP, I've been curious if my dreams of being a YouTube scrub were over, because clearly the Sigma FP is a very powerful tool, but vlogging is not something that is necessarily in its toolkit. This is a cinema camera. This is a manual focus lens. There's no autofocus. There's no stabilization. There's no screen. I can't see myself, and I'm vlogging. If that's not the epitome of a YouTube content creator, well, then I dare you to show me what is. And to make things just that much harder for myself, I'm also using a manual lens. This is the Voigtlander 21mm f4, and it is super wide at 21 on a full frame. Let me show you. So there you go. This is 21 millimeters. Look how wide this is. Everything is in the frame. So how in the heck am I using this camera to vlog? I'm running this on a very small gimbal. It's called the Crane M2. It's a very, very tiny one-handed gimbal. I'm running my SSD card out the back, and I have it Velcro to the back motor of the gimbal. I have my mic actually plugged into the 3.5mm jack and also clipped onto the back arm of the gimbal. And this thing is super lightweight. I even have a cage on the FP, and the Crane M2 is strong enough to hold it. So this thing is a legit vlogging option. As far as being in focus, that's why I use this lens, because it is actually at about f11 or f8 right now, which means I only have to know my zone focus, set it to its minimum focus distance, keep the gimbal at arm's length, and just like that, you're in focus.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be honest here. I don't need a vlogging camera. I can count on one hand the number of times that I have vlogged in my life. It's not a lot. It's not something I do. I would like to get more into it, but it's not really a concern. The reason I did this was because this is what I like to do. I like creating things, and I like trying unique and interesting concepts with things that you wouldn't necessarily ideally put together. I had an incredibly powerful cinema camera, the Sigma FP, and I was obsessed with trying to get it to work as a vlogging camera. Now, was the footage completely, utterly stable? No, it wasn't. But was it usable? Abso-freaking-lutely. I thought it looked great for what it is. And this is the kind of stuff that I'm going to continue to do. I'm really interested in these unique combinations. And in upcoming videos, I'm also going to be giving you a look behind the curtain at my editing workflow, which includes color grading, editing, and generally just my post-production process. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, please consider subscribing, drop a like, and comment down below what rig you'd like me to set up next. Thank you all so much for watching. I very much appreciate it, and I will see you right back here next time on Create, Rinse, Repeat.